What's up? So, it's been quite a while since I have shown anything on this Valiant, and I've taken it to a couple of drift events. First one I went to, found out that the rear leaf springs where I'd welded the bracket on was onto an overlapped section of the frame rail, and my weld didn't break, but part of the frame ripped off, and so ended up going to a triangulated 4-link and adding some KYB gas adjust shocks in the rear also. Then everything was going good with the front end and everything, but there was a little play in the steering wheel, so I went to get a new pitman arm. It was the only piece of steering I hadn't replaced, and the steering box, and replaced both of those. Still, the new steering box was a piece of crap. Thanks a lot. So that was a bunch of wasted time and money, and decided to just screw it, rip the whole subframe out, and go with rack and pinion. And needed to change my oil pan to a front sump from a rear sump to clear that, and made an S13. Subframe pretty much fit. It is close to finished product right now, and just need to hook up the steering column to the shaft coupler, finish mounting some made some new tension rod mounting points. We're gonna have to remount those. I'm gonna use the stock S13 tension rod brackets, so here it is. Also went ahead and turned my camber plates so I can use those to get more caster, since I got adjustable lower control arms now, so I can do my camber that way. And that's pretty much what we got now. Just the lower control arm, 13 brackets, and went to a different excessive manufacturing JZ motor mount plate, but didn't quite fit, of course, for my application, so I needed to move it back from those forward 2 holes there to the back holes, which on the other side of the block on a JZ it has that 4 more holes that you can actually like move the brackets back, but on this side it does not, so I just drilled a couple extra holes in it and used one of the mounting holes for that fuel block to bolt it to the block there. And there's my sweet angle I'm gonna have to work with on the steering coupler. Pretty awesome. And we just got, like, I'm talking no room here. Turned out good and tight as you can get. And try and show the 4-link a little. It's been on there for about 6 months or so. Works great.